You have to go back. But, you know, you can probably sort out. You can sort out multiple papers from what you presented today.
I know, but that's what everybody I talked to told me. That's what most of the professors I talked to told me. They said, rather than publishing one paper, bringing the system down, just like that, publish 10 papers over a period of 3 or 4 years.
Yes.
Lowell, I think I have the data which shows very clearly that the existent hypothesis is nothing.
Well, you're going to be fighting a group of people that will not allow you to publish the whole thing at once. You may as well get that through your head.
I understand.
They're not going to allow it because here's lifetimes of work based on a different hypothesis. And with one single stroke, you say, you're all wrong. You spent a lifetime and it amounts to nothing. Well, what?
That's what I realized.
I think he sounds very practical. Because you must have realized that it's very difficult to get your paper published in this form.
I think if you start slowly and build on the first paper, well then later on you can start expanding. I didn't realize nobody has shown that P450s can utilize peroxide. I mean, that's an important observation.
Yeah, but Kuhn and Halford